Apple may have increased its prices, but there is more that may be changing apart from the costs. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. According to the latest report from Mark Gurman at Bloomberg, the tech company's silicon strategy could also look different next year. His sources claim that Apple will not release Pro or Max versions of its upcoming M6 chip. If this does come to pass, it would be the first time Apple has only offered a base version of its in-house silicon. Instead of offering more powerful M6s, Gurman says that Apple would leap ahead to the M7 generation. Those chips reportedly will be designed to revolve around powering artificial intelligence. AI and Siri were the key talking points during the WWDC keynote this year, so it's not surprising that Apple would continue to make on-device AI a priority in the next generation of hardware. And while skipping the more powerful versions of the M6, Apple could release the M7 during the first half of 2027. It would potentially be followed by M7 Max and Pro chips at the end of 2027. Apple hasn't released an Ultra model since the M3 generation, but according to Gurman, we could see an M7 Ultra arriving in 2028. It's unclear if this change in strategy means Apple will be delaying its first possible touchscreen laptop, which was rumored to be coming to the M6 MacBook Pro. The company introduced the M5 Pro and Max chips earlier this year, and fans are expecting to see the M6 announced for its entry-level MacBooks before the end of 2026. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.